Welcome back to AI Tech News 9/11. In today's video, we're going to explore the 10 most powerful ChatGPT prompts related to business owners and executives worldwide who can use ChatGPT technology to power their businesses. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 1. What are the latest business trends in my industry? Staying up to date with the latest trends in your industry is crucial for success. Simply ask ChatGPT, what are the latest business trends in my industry, and get valuable insights that can help you stay ahead of the competition. Number 2. Can you give me some tips on how to improve my sales strategy? Improving your sales strategy can lead to increased revenue and growth. Ask ChatGPT for tips like this. Can you give me some tips on how to improve my sales strategy? And receive actionable advice that can boost your sales performance. Number 3. What are some effective marketing strategies for small businesses? Effective marketing is essential for small businesses. Ask ChatGPT, what are some effective marketing strategies for small businesses? And discover strategies that can help you reach more customers and grow your brand. Number 4. Can you help me create a business plan for my new startup? A solid business plan is the foundation of a successful startup. Request assistance from ChatGPT like this. Can you help me create a business plan for my new startup? And get guidance on crafting a comprehensive plan that covers all aspects of your business. Number 5. What are some common financial mistakes that businesses make? Avoiding financial mistakes is key to your business's success. Learn from others by asking ChatGPT, what are some common financial mistakes that businesses make? And receive insights that can help you make smarter financial decisions. Number 6. How can I improve my customer service? Exceptional customer service can set your business apart. Enhance your approach by asking ChatGPT, how can I improve my customer service? And get valuable tips on creating positive customer experiences. Number 7. Can you recommend some tools or software to help me manage my business more efficiently? Streamlining your business operations is crucial for success. Request recommendations from ChatGPT like this. Can you recommend some tools or software to help me manage my business more efficiently? And discover solutions that can save you time and money. Number 8. What are some key metrics I should track to measure the success of my business? Tracking the right metrics can help you make informed decisions. Ask ChatGPT, what are some key metrics I should track to measure the success of my business? And gain insights on which performance indicators are most important for your specific business. Number 9. Can you provide some guidance on how to hire the right employees for my business? Having the right team is essential for your business's growth. Seek guidance from ChatGPT like this. Can you provide some guidance on how to hire the right employees for my business? And learn how to identify and attract top talent. Number 10. What are some ways to increase productivity in the workplace? Improving productivity is crucial for business success. Discover effective strategies by asking ChatGPT, what are some ways to increase productivity in the workplace? And receive valuable suggestions on how to create an efficient and motivated work environment. And there you have it. These are the 10 most powerful ChatGPT prompts for business owners or executives worldwide who can use ChatGPT technology to power their business. Remember, the possibilities are nearly endless, so don't hesitate to get creative with your requests. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to AI Tech News 9/11 for more great content like this. Until next time, happy ChatGPT.